Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Today, we'll learn how to find your Windows 10 product key, or OEM digital license key, without installing any software. I'll show you two methods. It's a good practice to keep your product key saved, as you'll need it if you ever reinstall Windows on a different computer or upgrade to Windows 11. Method 1. Click on the search icon and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. Paste the command provided in the Word file description. To paste, right-click in the command prompt window or press Ctrl+V, then hit Enter. If the product key is displayed, you're all set. If not, it could be because you have a digital or OEM license. For some users, this method may not work, so let's move on to the second method. Method 2. Press the Windows and R keys together, or right-click the Start icon and select Run. Type Regedit and click OK. When prompted, click Yes to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following path: HKEI Local Machine Software, Microsoft Windows NT CurrentVersion Software Protection Platform. In the registry editor, expand HKey Local Machine and then Software. Scroll down to find Microsoft and expand it. Look for Windows NT and expand that as well. Under Windows NT, select Current Version and then open Software Protection Platform. Here, you'll find an entry named Backup Product Key Default that contains your product key. You can copy it and save it somewhere safe. Having your product key handy is essential for reinstalling or upgrading your Windows system. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.